What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I want to share with you guys one product that I received from Segway. They were nice enough to send me this product before this product even went to production. So Segway currently running a crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo's website. You guys can check. They're coming with new F series scooters. So they have, I believe, F40, F30, and currently I'll show you guys the F25. Now, I was lucky enough to test this scooter, knowing that you can even buy this scooter right now. I don't even know if this scooter will ever come out, but the scooter is so much fun, guys. I've been riding this scooter for almost 3 days right now, and I had so much fun. So today real quick I want to share with you guys Segway's Ninebot KickScooter F series F25. Let's jump in. I was really impressed with the Ninebot F25. This thing rides so good. Like, for first timer, like, before this scooter I used to ride bike before, but when I jump into this scooter, it was really fun. So I was really impressed. The speed is pretty good. Like this scooter goes up to 25 kilometers, so around like 15.5 miles. And also with fully charged battery, you get around 20 kilometers. So you get around like 12 point some miles. Now I've been testing this scooter for almost 3 days right now. I did put some miles on the scooter, like around 3 or 4 miles, and like I say, I was really impressed. Like, it's a great scooter for like if you just want to make round in your city. Like if you're a student, you can take this to your work, you can take this to a subway, you can put this in your car trunk. This thing is really good. Alright, so let me start with the handlebar. So a handlebar is pretty simple. You guys can see hand grip right here. Pretty good. Gray color. You can replace this hand grips if you want. There is a bell right here. Okay, so if there is people in front of you, you can just go ding and they will move. And then we have rear brake right here. So this scooter comes with one brake, but this single brake is pretty good, guys. You guys can see the disc right here. Pretty good. We also have a electronic accelerator here. You need to power the scooter first, and then you can press on the accelerator, and then the scooter will start moving. And here we have Ninebot logo and a display here. So if we press and hold, you guys can see the display does turn on, and then on the top we have a kilometer gauge or a number you will see, and then we have 3 modes. So we have here basically sports mode right now. If we double tap on the power button, now you guys can see we are on the eco mode right now, so energy saving mode. And then if we double tap again, now we are on D, so standard mode. And then if we double tap again, you guys can see we're on sports mode right now. So let me double tap again. So with eco mode, you get around 9.3 miles. So if you're someone who wants speed, then eco mode is not actually good for you. Standard mode is actually great for someone who is just learning how to ride a scooter, but I didn't feel like a huge difference between standard mode and the sports mode. Now here you guys can see we have a battery indicator. Okay, so with full charge you will get like 5 battery bars, and right now you guys can see we have 3 bars here. Okay, not bad. And if we tap one time, the front front lamp will turn on, and this front headlight is pretty good for nighttime riding or driving, whatever you guys want to call. And you guys can see it's pretty bright, and also comes with rear tail light. Looks really nice. Now the scooter does look dirty right now because I did use this scooter for like 2 or 3 days, you know. I was having so much fun, guys, and I really enjoy riding this scooter. Now let me tap one time. Now you guys can see front lamp or front headlight is turned off. Also, guys, keep in mind Segway Ninebot also have a app, works flawlessly. You guys can see the remaining miles, the battery percentage, and the total you know, kilometer or miles I've been riding. And I did record, you guys can see here. And there's a lot more other option, and you can pair this scooter with Bluetooth to your smartphone, and you can actually control everything. So that's really cool. Also, this scooter comes with a motor in the front wheel, okay, and that's why I feel like this thing pulls really well on the hill, and I was really impressed. You guys can see here back mud guard. It does have some mud on it, okay. All right. Also, this scooter comes with 10-inch wheels, metal rim with tire and tube. Nice. And metal frame, and we do have a kickstand right here. Now battery is under here, right here, okay. Does have a cover on it, and the battery is not all that big, but it's big enough, it does the job. And here we have the charging port right here. It does come with a power adapter. You can plug this here. Now the board is pretty good, is big enough. The grip is really good, you guys can see here. I wear sandals sometimes, I wear sneakers, I wear boot, so you know, really grippy. Even if you have some water on the board, it's still grippy. It doesn't feel slippery or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. You can easily carry this scooter with you. Maybe put this scooter in your car trunk, or maybe you can just you know, take with you, you know, while you you know, go on a subway or a bus. So basically you need to open this hinge right here, okay, and then push this one down, and then just bring it down and lock it here. That's it. And now you can easily carry. Really simple. Put it down. So like I told you guys, the scooter is not all that heavy, only 32 pounds, so you can easily carry. Now just because this scooter is light, that doesn't mean the build quality is bad. The build quality is good, solid. The maximum weight this scooter can handle up to 220 pounds, so not bad. I also forgot to mention, this scooter does come with a spare tire and a tube, so that's really nice of Ninebot. They were nice enough to add that. Now guys, keep in mind, I personally use this scooter for every day from now on. So if you guys have any other question, leave your question in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. Let me know what you guys think. See you guys next one. Peace.